Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and it is finally here, the 6x6. So today of course we're going to be doing a video on this 6x6, and I'm thinking we're just going to make it as big as we can, because it's already humongous. Because like even my upgraded cars, like that tow truck over there, that's upgraded, travels really high, and this is still the same height as it. So this is going to be very entertaining. Let's get straight into it. Right, let's... Jesus Christ, that goes up a lot. Yeah, it's going to be good. Already at monster truck height, probably. Let's put that down to 15,000. There we go. Can we put that down anymore? No. Spring brackets. Put them up, jeez. Shock size. Should we make them massive? Oh my god, that looks horrific. No, we're not making them massive. Wait, does it? No. I thought it changed the height. It didn't. I know it doesn't, but I was just checking because it looked like it did for some reason. Right, spring. Shocks ourselves. No, we're not changing that. We might have to put that in if I'm honest. We might have to. Yeah, we need some width on this. Oh my god, it's going to fall over. Shock size. And by the way, guys, we have 2 new videos coming out tomorrow on Offroad Outlaws. For the 2 other trucks coming out, because there's 2 others coming out tomorrow. Exactly, pretty much. No, not exactly, actually. Never mind, don't listen to what I said then. But yeah, we have got 2 videos coming out tomorrow, so that's good. This is going to be fun. This is going to be really fun. Sadly, you can't actually... I already checked. You can't... Wait, what? I'm sorry, what? Huh? That doesn't make any sense. Why can they go massive? Because look, you can't actually change it. If I make it heavy duty, does that... No, I can't. It doesn't... No, I can't even afford that anyway. That's a shame. So what are these at? Radius 1.3. Radius 1.5. There we go. Radius 1.3. And then what was their width? 2. 2. And the width's the same. Oh. Right, that's that. Customization. Let's put these on. You ready, guys? Oh yeah. We're going jolly. I think this video is just going to be all out. Like, nothing stopping us. Do I want that one? I'm not going to go for it, actually. That actually looks alright, but I'm not going to do it. No, we're not putting that on. Where does it... You got to find out where this axe goes. Oh, no, that's nice there. I like that. That... Where does that go? No, we're not putting that on. Put that on. You're kidding. All the places it could have gone in that mass... Look at the space in there, and it went on the roof. You mad? You know, if we put that on, we may as well put that on. It looks more normal. It looks way more normal. Like, I'm fine with that, but that... Nah. Wait, does this allow us to go any higher? I think. Okay, no. Oh gosh. I might have to put the width down, honestly. It's that big. 1.8. High 1.8. There we go. The problem is the front wheels are wider for some reason than the back wheels, even though they're at the same size, so I'm having to put them at that to make them look normal. Actually, what's the is there a difference? I could wait. Just let me. I'm confused now. If we do that, but no, we don't want that, do we? Because I was just doing that. We want to put it back to a high 1.8. Now that's the same. We go on to this instead. But it says it's the same, but when you go on to wheels... Oh, it's the same again. I'm seeing things. I'm really seeing things. Right, so let's... Oh, God. This is stupid. Right, let's go... Let's do... What should we do first? Let's do the quick race. That's what we normally start off with. Okay, we're definitely going to have to zoom out. The depressing thing is you can't make it bigger. That just really upsets me. Like the wheels, you can't make bigger. Like, I was about to say, make it actual bigger. That's not going to happen. I'd just be stupid, but I mean the wheels. It's still... Why is it this heavy and it still goes like a rocket? Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't show you at the start, but I did do the upgrades. So, this is not going this fast from no, like, internal upgrades, if you know what I mean. Whoa. It's got some speed, but no cornering. Literally none. It just doesn't like that. I don't think it doesn't fancy the cornering. Right, let's actually change this. Oh no, here we go. Adverts. Oh, jeez. Right, let's do some sorting out there. Should we just buff it up to the top? I want to actually see what that looks like. Let's put it to 50. Because it really does need it. It really does. And then, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, I was also going to just... May as well put a bit of a paint job. I rate that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go on rims. Put a bead lock on. Black them out. Spoke. Black it out. Bead lock, bead. That's that. Jeez, that's already a lot. And what we're gonna do then is decals. And then we're gonna go shapes. Make it red. It's gonna go horribly wrong if we don't. Do that. And then do on the other side. Just need to check the size so I get the right size. Do that. Just need to... There we go. No, done it wonky. I can't be having this wonkiness. There we go. And then we need to go on to custom text. Normal. Do that. Save it. Right, now let's just make it big. There we go. And then onto the other side. Something like that. How big is that? Is that the same size? No, it's not. Need to go more over here. There we go. Right, that's that. That's actually not that much. I was expecting more. Well, for it to be more. I really need to do this. Sorry about this. I kind of like that. It just makes it look better. Oh. Right, now, let's try that again. So, quick race. I've just realised, I think this is going to be quite a long video, actually. Whoa. That, Jesus Christ, did I just see that? Hold up. Oh, it drifts now, apparently. Oh, it turns. It really does turn. I'm going to have to turn that down. Jesus Christ. Every time it turns at over 20 miles an hour, it just dies. Watch, it just freaking... Even in the mud, it's driving like a normal car would do on the road. Like it's turning. Whoa. Like, you can see the front wheels turning, and you're like, how is it turning in the air? And then you realise the the back wheels are rear steer and they're touching the ground. And you're just like, okay. You see what I mean? Like, I'm just trying to straighten up here. This is abusive. Wait, will this sort things out? How is this not hurting me? Whoa. Wait, I turned all-wheel drive and diff lock on now. Does that help it? Wait, I just want to check if it still does that. It's actually hilarious. It's all-wheel drive, so I don't think it will. No, it won't. Put it in wheel drive. Wait. Launch! It did its... wasn't it that? Yeah, now it does it a bit more. Right, so if you want to just go... There's two ways to this. You go normal mode. You put everything on. And it's normal. Well, not that normal. It still goes really fast. Or you do this. And do wheelies. And drift. Oh, crap. The second I say that, it doesn't drift. So, yeah, that's your choices. I'm going to go normal just for this. Right. This should be a lot better now. Here we go. Just, Jesus Christ! I've actually, except from a racing quad that I once built, I've never seen anything actually properly go over that first jump and like land it properly and go over it. This is quick. This is surprisingly quick. I wasn't really ready for that at all. Let's wash it off. It's got to be nice and clean. Right, now we're going to go to the next one. Right, now to the next map. We are going to go to Monster Jam. Let's go. Are you okay under there? He actually responded. Oh my gosh. This guy's just... Wait, should I? No, I did that wrong. Oh my god, I think I broke his suspension. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I think I broke your car. I'm just gonna leg it in my speedy 6x6 and crash. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh no, it started to accelerate again. I was about to say it's really heavy so it couldn't get up the thing. That's good. When it lands, it doesn't like go crazy and just bounce to frickin' China. It's so clean with the landings. So clean. Like its turning's good now. It's not, and it's not like when you turn it just dies and just like veers off to the side. Because sometimes when you put too much rear steer on it, it can't really control itself. And it messes it up. But now it's solid. It's good. No chance a 6x6 is tipped backflip. That was like, that's my air rotation is on high, so it should like do a flip in that time. But literally it's just like, nah, that ain't happening. That's a bit far. It's just like, no. Where's the big ramp? Okay, it's there. Let's go for it. Woo! Oh no. Let's see how high we can go on that, because this is quick. This is quicker than I thought, way quicker than I thought it was going to be, actually. I might turn the rear steer down a bit, just a bit. It kind of gets a bit bonkers. Oh, this is it. Oh, that was going to do something cool. I kind of called it and then it didn't work. Right. Let's go on to the next one. Honestly. Right. What was I going to do? Okay, yeah, I was going to do the rear steer. Right, rear steer. Let's put it down to 40. There we go. And then we're going to go on to Rock Park. Because, you know, I like to test its capabilities at the good old rock climbing. It's actually really fast for what it is. Like, a 6x6 should not be going this fast. And it's literally really good at mud bogging. But that's kind of... You'd expect that because it's got 6 wheels. That means it's got, like, an extra pair of wheels. So it's got a lot more traction. Like, it's got another third of traction, pretty much. It's pretty crazy if you think about it. I remember seeing an 8x8 lorry come past my house, which was pretty cool. But that was just something else. 8x8. And it was like a proper, like a army level, armoured type of truck. I think it might even been carrying missiles, if I'm honest. It looked like it should have been. It looked like a Russian decided he was going to Parliament or something, I don't know. Oh no, this is so fast, it's just incontrollable. The funny thing is, I haven't put it in low gear once, except from now, because it didn't need it. Honestly didn't need it. Wait, does that make it do wheelies even more? I just want to check, because this is in non-wheelie mode. Wait, if it's in non-wheelie mode, it makes it do wheelies. Okay, it's the same. That's depressing. Hi, and send it. Oh no. Maybe I need like 45 rear steer. Because it's still it's struggling again with the turning. Which it shouldn't be. This is good. I wouldn't say its strong point is rock crawling, or maybe I'm wrong, it is actually pretty good at it, but like, I think its strongest point at the minute is taking jumps, jumping them and mud bogging probably. So basically just the first track it was best at. Let's see if it's any good at this. Nah, it's not. Right. Oh. It's getting somewhere, and it just does a wheelie. If I'm honest, I think this is a bit underwhelming, but it's actually really good in some. It's underwhelming, but it's also not underwhelming at all. It's just certain bits of it, like you could only make the wheels so big. You couldn't change the suspension, but then it's just really good and it looks cool. So it's 50-50. It just puts it down to if you like it or not. I like it, but this is I like it, but yeah, I think it looks sick. Right. Let's head over to the final map. Multiplayer, free roam, and then where is it? Barjar spot. It should be good at this because it's decently fast and it's good at taking the jumps. So we're hoping that it's good. We're hoping. Let's go. We won't be getting any stunts because it just can't do it. It can turn in the air, I think, decently well. But it can't flip in the air at all. It could probably get to like, if you're doing like a backflip, it would get to like where it would be landing on its on like its back, because it would be just probably not on its back, like the end of the car probably. It's that bad at it. Oh, I forgot to change the rear steer, but it's fine. Right, let's see what we can do in a 6x6 over 80. Oh, this is fast. This isn't just average. This is definitely more than average. Like it, because normally they don't monster trucks, or just normal cars actually, they don't actually get over 80. But this can get over 80. Like it's just about to get over it then. Right, it should get over it now. Yeah, 80. I might even take this on the thing to see how fast it will go. I'm going to do that. It's alright. It's actually alright. I rate it. Whoa! That is the problem with rear steer. It occasionally does that. When I was talking about the rotation thing in the air, I was lying. It doesn't still rotate fast. It doesn't at all. Well, I think we're nearly at the pits. We'll go on to the next map when we get to the pits. Yep, that's rear steer for you. So overall, this is a pretty, it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good at this track, if I'm honest. It's one of the quicker ones at it. Obviously, the Cybertruck is probably going to reign as a king or queen. I don't know. But I think the Cybertruck is probably the fastest on this. But again, it gets up to speed, but then it just dies out when it gets to higher speeds. Tokyo Drift it. Okay, hardly. Can we drive with this guy? No, he disappeared. Maybe I just rammed him, and my weight weighed on him so much that he just disintegrated. I don't know. Right, let's sort out that. Did we change the rear steer? No, we didn't. There we go. Right. Pause. What did I want to do? Oh, I know. No! I didn't press that. Oh no, we're gonna have to flipping... Oh no! I swear every time I do something wrong with this game, it just lets me out and doesn't give me an advert. It's so kind. Right. Let's do this. Let's just get around here. Ooh! Oh, we'll just do a wall ride, that's fine. At least we got round it. Right, this is it. This isn't it. Jeez, won't turn. Right, are we lined up? That's as far as we can go back, I think. Right, let's fix anything to be fixed. Let's go rear wheel drive. Diff look disabled. You ready? Go! Oh, it's going over 100 and it's a 6x6. It's getting places. 140? Jesus Christ! 140 in a 6x6. This may even be a top speed car. Can we get higher than 140? Let's see it. Oh. 140. Oh my god. Okay, 143 it is. Jeez. Whoa. Man's just looking at me just like, hi. Wait, do you want to see if I can race this guy? I would say, want to race. Let's see if we can. Doing some burnouts now. Right. Did we just go? I'm just gonna go. He's faster than me, but that's fine. I am in a 6x6. So in my point of view, I'm faster than him. Okay, absolutely just left me for dust. Jeez. Right. I'm going to see if I can... We're doing this. First person, let's go. It just had to be. I'm see if I can do that massive jump thing again. That was pretty cool. Here we go. See if we can do it. Can we do it? Whoa! We didn't do it, but we still tried to drive on the wall. Wait, I've got an idea. If we put in all-wheel drive, and then when we get going, we switch to wheel drive, so we should get more speed. So, now. Way better start. Oh, this might be it. We're already at 120. Is this it? That's a new top speed for us, 145. That's good. Really good. Right, I need to do this. I've actually not done this before. Well, I have, but last time I did it, I just died. I'm going to do this and then I think I'll end it there. Whoa. This is sick. You know, I can make that quicker. I can be quicker at that. Way quicker. Can I even get back up? That's the real question. Here we go. Right, you ready? Dropping in. Woo! No, this... Oh my god. I tried to catch myself. Right. I think I'm going to end the video there, guys. If you enjoyed... I need to put our lights on. It's very dark. Jesus Christ, they're bright. Okay, we're going to do it from the back. Actually, why is it in... Oh, no. That's kind of cool. Right, probably just going to turn them off. Right, I'm going to end it there, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to. Trying to hit the subscriber goal of 10 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you'd like to help out, you can. And goodbye. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you next time.